Welcome back everybody. Today we'll be making a Hario V60. But let's get cracking, coffee lovers. A V60 is another very popular coffee method. It's also one of my favorites. Paper filter, your V60 cone. These cones are very affordable, 150 Rand more or less, and it really makes making coffee a joy. So I prefer just getting the plastic ones. And then this is a Hario V60 cup, but you can use any cup. You can just use your normal coffee cup and make the coffee straight into that. This just looks a little bit more impressive. We'll be using a scale and of course freshly roasted coffee. This is a seasonal blend with Peru as the base. It's also got some Honduras and some Colombia in. Amazing. We'll be using a medium grind size. Alright, let's get our water up to temperature. Again, we'll be using about a 93 degrees Celsius water, and very important to use good quality coffee water. Once your water is up to temperature, we're going to rinse our filter. Rinsing the filter removes the papery taste, and it also heats up your coffee vessel. Give it a swirl and discard it. Now that your filter has been rinsed, it's time to go make our coffee. Place it on the scale, zero it again. The coffee to water ratio for today will be 60 grams of coffee to 1 liter of water. This is not a hard rule, it's just a good starting point. We're gonna make 500 grams of coffee today, or 500 milliliters, so we'll be using 30 grams of coffee. Once you've added your coffee in, make a little well in the middle. Now we can start with the first step, which is blooming the coffee. Like the Chemex, I always use a 1 to 2. So 30 grams of coffee, 60 grams of water for the bloom. Let it bloom for about 20 seconds. Then we're going to give it a nice swirl. Swirling really affects the taste of the coffee. Swirl it around. Then we're going to add our water in 2 stages. So we'll get about 300 milliliters of water in the first stage in about a minute's time. And then after that, we'll add the remaining 200 milliliters of water. You can take our spoon again, just run it down the sides just to make sure there's no big coffee particles stuck on the sides. Alright, and now we'll be adding the remaining water. One last stir, just a small little half swirl in the middle, and then from the other side as well. And now it's a wait, guys, until it's done. Dunzos. And that's it, the payoff. Remove this and you're done. Swirl coffee, mess it everywhere. Cheers. Thank you very much for joining us. If you want to see more coffee content, please leave a comment below. And also remember, if you want any amazing freshly roasted coffee, head over to the Coffee Roastery. The link is down below and order some coffee.